Hello there, thanks for joining us. In this video, we'll be explaining how Canada's NOC codes work. If you're planning to apply for your Canadian permanent residency under express entry, then you will need to know your NOC code. So don't go away and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and also to check us out on our website at www.go.gooselaw.com. We'll be right back. Hello there, I'm Donovan Francis. I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer and I help skilled workers in Canada and outside Canada who want to apply for their Canadian permanent residency without having to complete complicated immigration forms. In this video, I'll be explaining just how Canada's NOC codes work and what they are. If you plan to apply for your permanent residency under express entry, one of the requirements is that you must have met the requisite work experience. Now, this work experience must have been performed under certain select NOC codes. Now, Canada has a system for categorizing, for classifying every or almost every job type performed. This system is known as the National Occupational Classification System. Within this system, jobs are broken out into different skill levels. Now, generally speaking, there are 4 + 1, 5 skill levels that you want to be aware of. The first one is that for people who are in a managerial role. This is usually referred to as NOC O type jobs. So anybody who is coming in the capacity of a manager, an IT manager, an HR manager, persons whose job duties are managerial in nature are going to fit under a NOC O skill type. The second skill type is that of those that fall under NOC A. And these types of roles are usually carried out by persons who have at least a first degree and persons who perform professional type jobs. So persons such as IT professionals, IT architects, nurses, engineers, and such the likes, those types of job roles will fall under a NOC A skill level. NOC B skill types are for persons who are skilled in certain types of trades and who have a college diploma and certain kinds of apprenticeship training. Those types of jobs usually fit under a NOC B skill type. And so you'd find job types such as butchers and cooks and bakers falling under NOC B. The next skill level is skill level C. And generally, this is for job categories such as machine operators and truck drivers and such the likes. The final skill level is that of skill level D. And those types of roles include general cleaners and people who are working as laborers and so on and so forth. So those are the 5 different skill types into which persons can be categorized under the National Occupational Classification System. Now, if you intend to apply under express entry, only persons who fall into the first 3 of these skill levels are eligible to apply under express entry. So only persons who have experience working at a managerial level and whose job duties fall into that of a NOC O, those persons can apply under express entry. Similarly, persons who have performed NOC A type duties also are able to apply under express entry, as too are persons who've performed a NOC B type role. They too can apply under express entry. Persons whose job duties fall under NOCs D and C are not able to apply under express entry. However, all hope is not lost. Persons falling into NOCs C and D may be able to apply under some of the provincially managed programs known as provincial nominee programs, and they may be able to apply for Canadian permanent residency under one of those provincially managed programs, as too can persons from the NOCs O, A, and B skill levels. So in a nutshell, those are the different skill types that fall under the government's National Occupational Classification System, and that gives you a sense of which skill types will be able to apply under express entry. And so it's going to be very important that you seek professional guidance in determining where exactly the duties that you've performed fit, and to better determine whether or not express entry is going to be the appropriate route for you. I trust you found this video to be informative. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also check us out at our website at www.go.gooselaw.com.